Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video, and tonight I am gonna unbox a radio that I saw on Walmart last week when I was making a video on shopping for radios on Walmart, and here it is. This radio caught my attention when I was going through Walmart looking at radios, so I went on Walmart.com and I ordered this radio. I paid a total of $34.90 for this radio. Okay. And on the store, I believe it was listed at $44. However, I am a member of the Walmart Plus, so I get a discount on it. So $34.90. They were actually with taxes about $37 and change. I forgot. Yeah. Anyway, $37 and change. So $34.90 plus tax. Yeah, $37 and change on Walmart.com. So as you can see here, it is a weather alert radio. Called Bluetooth speaker, AM, FM. As you can see there, where the radio we got Bluetooth, AM, FM. Okay, typical emergency radio. It caught my attention because of the just like it's all black radio. It looks kind of rugged. Of course, it got this big old sticker on it. I guess that's the Walmart.com. They put that there. I was hoping this wouldn't be here. You have the, but anyway, this here's right there. So let's take it, let's unbox it. Let's take it out the box. Okay. Okay, oh, never mind, over here. My bad, sorry about that. It's on this side. I did crack the seal. So let's get the box out the way. Of course, this looks like an instruction booklet. Should I even take this out? I'll take it out. Why not? It is an unboxing. So yeah, this is an instruction booklet. There you go. Okay, instruction booklet. Okay, and you go. You got your frequencies and all that. Okay, good. You got your charging cable here. Okay. This has a built-in battery, but I think you could also put AA batteries on it also. And the radio itself. Okay. So let's take this out. Let's see what's in here. Okay, just one of those customer support cards, I guess. And yeah, customer support card and so on. Okay, there you go. So here's the radio. This is why I like this radio. It's all black. It looks rugged. It has these rubberized gasket buttons. I like the Gorilla logo there. It looks kind of cool. Of course, you got the carabiner here. So it looks very rugged. Flashlight, of course. And even the battery compartment. It had the screw type there. I guess it's very waterproof. I guess, you could, in the rain, light rain, I guess. And you can zoom in there. You see all the stuff there. And the antenna. So this radio is pretty cool. It looks pretty cool. I like the black look to it. Okay. So let's just turn it on for a second. And then, of course, no weather band right there. And look at that.
ASE certified mechanics. They have a price lock guarantee. This is big, meaning the price will never go up, no matter how many claims you file, or even as the mileage on your car increases. That's a big deal. Call CarShield to 800.
Let's try WOR.
Effective, trust drug-free Navage for fast relief to help you breathe easier, sleep better, and feel healthier. Ask for Navage at Walmart, Walgreens, CVS, Rite Aid, Target, or find us online at Navage.com. Navage, N-A-V-A-G-E. Clean.
That's pretty cool. Okay, so there you go. So it's unboxing of the G Project, G Storm emergency weather radio, AM, FM, and of course no weather band. And I will make some couple of reception videos on this. I'm going to play around with this tonight and make some reception videos. And then I will make a review on this radio. So far, you know, I like the look of it. It looks very... That's what caught my attention, was the look of it. Okay? So there you go. So thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.